Hey Java developer, I will tell you a faster and more fun way to grow technically, surpassing 92% of developers. You will elevate your technical expertise to a whole new level without having to spend hours studying code in a boring and tiresome manner. I'm Rafael Del Nero, a Java champion and mentor dedicated to empowering developers like you to earn more and boost your career. The way to learn faster is to learn fundamentals. That's it, master the fundamentals. That's because you can learn tools and technologies much faster with fundamental knowledge. Imagine you are learning about another programming language but don't know about the fundamentals of algorithms, object-oriented programming, or functional programming. It will take you much longer to learn any programming language because on the top of the programming language, you will have to use the fundamentals. If you never master the fundamentals, you will always have to memorize syntax, which doesn't give you mastery over the technology. That also impacts the code quality. And remember also that you need to create something useful with your knowledge. If you don't use your knowledge, you will quickly forget it. The Java challenges are great for you to master the nuances of Java by solving the challenges. And once you master Java well, don't forget to expand your knowledge. That's crucial. Does that make sense to you? But that's not all. I have even more valuable insights to share with you. So join me on this journey and gain access to a wealth of videos and proven strategies employed by the highest paid Java developers in the industry. And if that resonates with you, show your support by giving a like and sharing this video. Together, we can help other developers unlock their earning potential by being strategic and focused. Stay tuned, follow me, and receive regular updates with valuable content and strategies. And never forget, break your limits.